I don't want to spin it too positively, but the fact is, in many ways it's been a very enriching experience because I've learned so much and gotten to appreciate so much about things I hadn't recognized earlier. The sense of powerlessness, the sense of fear of the unknown, the sense of potential loss and regret, no matter whether the person was guilty or not guilty, or contributed to their own charges or didn't contribute to their own charges, or whether they had some limited role in the alleged acts or whatever. The point is that I think everyone in the process has a tremendous sense of regret that they hadn't done something differently, that they hadn't made other decisions, that they hadn't exercised better judgment. Donna's face in the photograph that was published in the journal really is about the best expression of what the experience is like for someone whose life is literally in someone else's hands. As I guess I should say, even before you ask, I'm thrilled with her verdict. As I am with the verdict for Jamal Dublin, my client. A great deal of the punishment that's involved with prison isn't imposed on the prisoner, it's imposed on the family. I'm very fortunate to have all the things that I have to deal with it, so I think that's helping me a great deal.
And what is the hardest part for you?
Not being home with my wife.
Yeah.
And, it's been I think that it's been a great deal more punishing on her than it has been on me. She's been the one who's suffered through all of it, and continues to.
How is the food?
It's interesting because I'm something of a chef, so or I'll say a cook. I've always done all the cooking at home, but they make a great effort to put hot food on, and plenty of it in front of everybody 3 times a day. Some of it's actually good. Some of it's, I enjoy the eggplant, and I'm very hopeful to be able to present myself at whatever time I'm considered for parole in a positive way, and to show them whatever is required to be released as early as possible. Obviously, I want to be home as early as possible. But the reality of the situation is that I'm here, and it'd be foolish not to accept it, and to try to make the best of it, and to try to learn what I can, and try to see it as not an adventure, but an experience that's sort of a unique perspective. It's a unique opportunity for someone with my background to go through and have this other view at the same part of the process,
Yeah.